Artificial intelligence, chatbots, agents, large language models, Gemini, Siri, ChatGPT. What the fuck does it all mean? Well, I'm Ant. I am the AI Oldtimer, although judging by my hair I should really be the AI hippie. It's the first time I've worn all this crap for decades because I retired about 4 years ago and I'm bored bloody senseless, but I discovered ChatGPT a little while ago during lockdown and all that nonsense. I got into all this new tech and I find it absolutely fascinating, and having been bored out of my mind when I first heard about artificial intelligence, I thought about our Prime Minister, and I thought, well, you can't get more artificial and unintelligent than that. So I thought I'd have to jump in. So that's kind of what I'm doing. Thank you for watching this. I'm going to be exploring everything to do with artificial intelligence and agents and all that stuff. Yeah, and I might be talking about some nice classic whiskies while we're at it. So if that's your bag, stick along. I'm sort of going to be chronicling what I'm doing. I'm on a absolute vertical learning curve at the moment, and around a bunch of absolute youngsters that know way more about this shit than I do. So if you're an oldie like me, or even if you, I don't know, you could be older than me, you could be younger than me, you could be from another planet, stick around and let's find out where we go with this stuff. So, slide you. Oh, the good stuff.